Hi, I'm George, and welcome to Digital High Road. This is my YouTube channel, and it's my intention through this channel to help out as many online marketers as I can possibly reach by providing great, honest content to you. Not no hype, no BS, nothing that doesn't work. I'm going to provide only things that work, things that will work in 2020 and beyond. And come along with me as we go through the videos I create. And I hope you get something from these videos. And it's my intention to help as many people as possible by providing honest content. It's been my experience over the last 8 years that there are a lot of products on the market today and in the last 8 years that didn't have a lot of value to them. So I was like a lost soul in a large forest that was dark and deep, and I didn't have a way out. So my intention is to provide content through either tutorials or product reviews and or tips and shortcuts, things that I have found work for me, things that will work for you as well. And we welcome you aboard. And thanks for watching our videos on our channel.